Hey there everyone, how's it going? I might sound a little funny because I'm kind of sick right now. I'm just going to jump right into this video. Basically, I had a screen and every time I played Fortnite and somebody would send me a friend request or an invite to a game, it would actually go black and then back to the screen, and it actually caused the actual screen to overheat, and the module that actually plugs into the screen that powers it here, the A power, actually like fried out. I'll try to show you guys here. See if I can get it to zoom in. Let's see, where is it? Right there. Focus camera, so you can actually see that it's all burnt because the capacitor was actually loose, and my dad and I had to actually resolder it, and we tried it, and it wouldn't work. So, unfortunately, the company that sells the screen doesn't actually have the parts anymore, so I had to order it off of Amazon. So I got the package from Amazon here. So we're gonna open it up and hopefully it works. Alright, so here we go. Open the package up, see what it came with, and hopefully we'll plug this in and it will work and I won't have to worry about it because that screen is like an over $700 screen. I forget what kind of resolution it is, but it's really good. Oh, this thing's like double packaged. Check it out, double packaged to be nice and secure. Alright, let's open this one up. Oh, do I need scissors for this one? No, I do not. This one could be a tear. Ah, it's sticky tear. I'm just going to cut a little bit. Oh, actually I see a slice here. That makes it easier. There we go. That was easy. Okay, let's see what we got inside here. Alright. We got the tpower. This one says it's tpower. And comparing it to the other one, basically it should work. The company that actually sold me which one to get told me to get a 12 volt where the screen's actually 24 volt, so I had to get a 24 volt one, so the one that I would have got wouldn't have worked. So we're gonna plug this one in and hopefully it works, or I'm gonna be hooped out of basically $20–30 as well as a $700–800 screen. Alright everyone, so I have everything plugged in except for the power cord. So I'm going to plug this in. If everything works well, it should just turn on, and then I'm good to go. If not, then I guess I'm hooped, but wish me luck. I'm going to plug it in right now. Here we go. Plugging it in. 3, 2, 1. In. Alright. So turn the power on here. Come on, baby. Please work, please work. Please work. Attention, no video input. I have video input. Why isn't that working? Maybe it's because my graphics card isn't set up for the dual screen. Yeah, that's probably what it is. Let me double check this quickly. Yes. Yes. I figured it out. I figured it out, and it works. Alright, there you have it everyone, I got it set up. This screen resolution is 2560 by 1440. That's how good this screen is. It's actually really nice. Basically, let's see here. Click a video here. And see, look at how good that quality is. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell on it, but to me, like, that's incredible. Like, look at that. That's just insane. It's just so beautiful. But yeah, anyways, I'm super happy that it works. It shows you that Epic Games, your guys' glitch, where when somebody sends you a friend request and it goes black, like it all tabs you on and off, it actually overheated and fried out my old bar. I don't know if it was coincidence or not, but you guys still got that glitch. Now I got my 2 screens set up. Now I can start doing some live screenings. It'd be awesome. Gotta give Amazon a shout out and the company that sent me this, because it only took like literally 2 days to send this power bar, and it actually works, which I'm super stoked about. Because the actual company that makes monoprice screens told me to get 12 volt, which doesn't make any sense, because even on the back it says 24 volt. So it just shows you just to double check, and luckily luckily I double checked with my dad on that one, so thanks, Dad. And I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. I just thought I'd set up and open up that and everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and comment down below if you guys have any problems with like Epic Games trying out your systems, or like just any problems at all, and like what you guys' experience with Amazon is. And like I think it's like Amazon's awesome. But anyways, thanks for watching. Peace out.